Dang gum, guys. Can y'all hear that? Oh, got quieter because I'm over here. Oh, there they are. Fast little boogers. Look at that. Oh my God, they're like lightning. Oh, they do not like the, look at that. See all those? Look like butterflies? Oh my God, there's a whole family of bats that live over here somewhere in our south wing building. They're everywhere, dude. They're all over the place. When I pulled out my cell phone, the frequency must be driving their radar like crazy, or sonar or whatever. That is some trippy. Look at that. There goes another one. Another one. They do not like the cell phone being on right now. I think the frequency from the black light controllers inside the phone, they have like this frequency. If you ever held one of those phone probing tools up to your cell phone, it would go Mah. They don't like it. As soon as I fired up my cell phone, man, they're flying all around me. They're just confused as hell, but you can hear them. Bunch of them. Bunch of bats. A bunch of bats. So, I'll have to address this issue. Or like, I don't know where they're coming out from. Somewhere, like either here, or living in that vent stack right there. Because that thing's never turned on, or it never comes on. I think the motor's burned out in it anyway. But I mean, I thought there was a bearing that was bad, like in the cert pump over here by the boiler. No, it's bats, and I had to come out here at night. There go another one. There go them. Oh crap! They're flying everywhere, man. Holy crap, man! They're everywhere. I'm getting the heck out of here because they do not like this cell phone. Dude, look at that. Boom. Look at that. Those are all bats. The streaks. That's some crazy shit. I think they're living up there or something. I don't know what they're doing. But I need to get out of here before I get bit or something. Alright guys, just a minute, man. We got a bat problem over here in our south wing. Never thought I had to... I never thought I'd see this before, but there's about 20 bats or something. I don't know if it's 20 or 30 of them, but golly, wait till it's nighttime, you'll see what I'm talking about. Guys, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until then, Batman.